Ready to turn your online hustle into a cash spectacular? Well, buckle up because today's video is all about stacking those green bills, and guess what? You're about to learn how to pocket a cool $170 a day without dropping a single dime. Yes, you heard it right. No investment, just pure profit. Now imagine this: $1,190 in your pocket after just a week of rocking these strategies. That's not all. Fast forward to a month, and you're looking at a jaw-dropping $4,670. Curious? Intrigued? Well, you should be. If you've been wondering how to make serious bank without breaking the bank, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the 7 mind-blowing ways to make $170 a day online for beginners. Number 1. Sell printables on Etsy. Picture this: turning your creativity into cash by creating awesome printables that people can't resist. Etsy is like the treasure island of opportunities, and you're a pirate ready to claim your bounty. We're not just talking about printables here. Etsy is your oyster. From quirky crafts to unique creations, you can sell anything that sparks joy and fills your pockets. Imagine raking in over $5,000 a month. Not a fantasy, but a reality for many Etsy hustlers. Now, before you set sail on this creative journey, it's crucial to get the lay of the land. Think of Etsy as your bustling marketplace. You want to be the savvy trader, not the lost tourist. Learn the ropes, understand the game, and avoid the pitfalls. Sure, making money on Etsy is like hitting the jackpot, but there's a method to the madness. We'll spill the beans on the secrets to Etsy success, ensuring you're not just dipping your toes, but diving in headfirst. Ready to turn your passion into profit? Let's make Etsy your personal gold mine. Number 2. Proofreading. Let's talk about a cool gig that doesn't just keep your grammar game strong, but also put some serious cash in your pocket. Proofreading. If you've got a knack for spotting grammatical blunders, typos, and those pesky sentence blocks that refuse to play nice, you're in for a treat. Now, I know we're all dreaming of that sweet passive income, but proofreading is a bit different. It won't make your money grow on trees overnight. But guess what? You can hustle your way to $170 and beyond by becoming a freelance proofreader on platforms like Fiverr. The beauty of proofreading is that you can turn it into a daily money-making ritual. Picture this: multiple proofreading sessions a day, each bringing in those crisp green bills. Yep, you heard it right. You could be raking in up to $400 a day just by perfecting other people's prose. But hey, let's keep it real. Unless you're a proofreading wizard with a portfolio that screams "hire me now," the road to snagging those proofreading gigs might have a few bumps. Don't worry, we're here to help you navigate through that maze and come out on top. Ready to turn your eagle-eyed skills into a daily cash shower? Let's dive into the proofreading world and discover how you can make those dollars rain down on you like confetti. Number 3. Freelance writing. If your keyboard is your sword and your creativity is the shield, then making a cool $170 a day is just a few clicks away. Dive into the world of freelance writing and let your words do the talking. Wondering where to start? Fiverr and Upwork are your virtual playgrounds. Don't fret, setting up shop is as easy as ordering pizza online. Sign up, create your freelancer account, and let the hunt for gigs begin. Got a knack for coding or designing instead? No problemo. Throw your skills into the freelance arena and watch the opportunities roll in. But hold on. Even if the writer's life isn't calling your name, fear not. You can still ride the online earning wave. Ever thought about putting your coding prowess or design finesse to work? Yup, freelancing isn't just for wordsmiths. And if you're a pro at avoiding writer's block, but want to cash in on the writing game, hop on over to Indeed.com. A quick search can unveil gigs that pay a sweet $30 per hour. Number 4. Trade the financial markets. Ever wondered if trading crypto, bonds, stocks, or even futures could be your ticket to earning a cool $170 a day? Well, hold on to your hats, because it's time to explore the thrilling realm of day trading. Now, there's a ton of chatter out there about the best strategies to conquer the markets. But here's the deal: day traders are raking in some serious cash by turning their market smarts into a decent income. And guess what? You can jump on this money-making roller coaster too. If the idea of making $170 fast piques your interest, then trading online is where the magic happens. It's not just about making money. It's a wild ride of excitement, a learning experience that goes beyond textbook knowledge. Ready to unravel the secrets of online trading? Let's roll. Number 5. Sites that pay you a sign-up bonus. Dive into the world of sign-up bonuses and watch your pockets fill up with extra cash. Imagine getting $5, $10, or even $20 just for saying hello to some cool apps. It's like they're paying you to join the party. Now, I know it might feel like you're in a jumble of cashback apps and websites, but fear not. Let me be your guide through the bonus maze. The real treasure lies in those apps that not only help you manage your money, but also slide some cash into your wallet just for signing up. Meet my personal superhero, Personal Capital. They're not just a money tracking app, they're your financial sidekick. And guess what? They hand out a jaw-dropping $20 bonus just for joining their squad. Imagine having all your expenses and investments in one place, like your very own financial command center. Personal Capital makes it happen in. But that's not all, folks. Let me introduce you to the rockstar earning rewards, Swagbucks. Hit them up, and they'll throw a $5 bonus your way just for being you. And the fun doesn't stop there. You can keep the good times rolling by scoring points through surveys, watching videos, or just cruising the web. Who knew making money could be this entertaining? Number 6. Flip items on eBay for profit. Alright, now we sell our old things. But what if I told you there's a way to turn a profit from other people's treasures? Imagine cruising through thrift stores, hitting up garage sales, and even scouring Craigslist for hidden gems that could make you money on platforms like eBay or Facebook Marketplace. Ever wondered if that retro lamp or vintage game console you spotted at the thrift store could be your ticket to some extra dough? Well, it just might be. Dive into the world of flipping items for profit. Hunt for those unique finds, whether it's collectibles, gadgets, or even some stylish threads. And watch as you transform these discoveries into a sweet payday. Curious about what's out there waiting for you? Think about the excitement of stumbling upon a rare vinyl record or a classic piece of tech that could fetch a pretty penny. Ready to make some cash while uncovering hidden treasures? Number 7. Invest in real estate. Alright, now, I won't promise you'll be rolling in $170 bills right off the bat, but with a bit of time and some portfolio magic, hitting that $170 mark in a day or more is totally doable. We're talking about a real estate fiesta, and there are a few cool ways to join the party. Renting properties. Picture this. Most of our moolah flows in at the start of every month. Cha-ching. Flipping. Ever dreamed of turning a fixer-upper into a cash magnet? Well, get ready to make those dreams come true. Passive investments. Now, if you want a chill approach, there's Fundrise and Ground Floor. Imagine earning dividends like clockwork. So, if the thought of property ownership gives you a headache, no worries. I've got 2 fantastic platforms for you. Fundrise. Dive into mammoth real estate investments with just a tenner. Seriously, it's that easy. Ground Floor. Fancy a piece of the action in short-term loans. Throw in your $10 and you're in. Now, who said real estate had to be a headache? Let's turn those dollars into a daily dance party, and you're on your way to becoming a bona fide online entrepreneur. If you've been vibing with these tips and you're ready to turn that digital hustle into a daily cash fiesta, do me a solid. Hit that like button, smash the subscribe, and ring that notification bell like your bank account depends on it. Trust me, your financial future will thank you later. Until then, keep chasing those dollar signs.